right, Fright fans, here we go. Happy New Year, and to kick it off is the Distortions Unlimited Scarewolf Static Prop. Just got him this morning in the mail, and look at him in all his full moon glory. This guy looks great. Again, Distortions knocked it out of the park with this one. And he's got the fully posable arms. You can really lift him up high in this one. And he looks just great. Man, look at the detail. The hands, just gruesome. The body. Wow, this guy. Alright, people, there you go. The Distortions Unlimited Scarewolf Static Prop. Thank you to Distortions. And I got one more piece coming on the way I'll share with you soon. Have a happy new year.